Hello everyone, nice talking to you. The hospital reception is a place where patients seek care. There are variety of ways how patients present to handle them is a challenge in itself. Now this is very common. Some people comfortably walking while some, they are unconscious, they are in coma, they have to be brought in on a stretcher. Now, there are also occasions wherein patients are unable to talk to, while their relatives they do so. They take the lead and they express what they do want, like that. So there can be some very tricky instances while you deal with the patients. That's why the hospital reception can be a very complex place to handle a variety of patients. All that you need is simple presence of mind and common sense. It will just simply guide you how to go about. Yeah, day one, little difficult, more difficulty. Day two, less difficulty. 100th day, yeah, no difficulty at all, like that. As the time goes by, people do learn and they are able to handle the patients. And that's how it can be a very good source for learning medicine. Now, these days, the hospitals have become very complex. You have high-end hospitals who depend on technology, and that's how you have a variety of tasks to do. Oh, you are visiting for the first time? Is it a revisit? Where is your ID card? You put it here and you get in here, like that. There are so many specifications like that. All this can be, as the requirements went on and people developed technology and people they reshaped their hospital reception like that. And now, while the patient reception can be a treasure source of learning for the medical students and that demands multitasking, the grace with which you handle speaks volume about the patient care outcomes. you know very nice, one patient, you know if you satisfy four new patients automatically, it is a non-verbal, but just simply the news spreads. And then if you mishandle and disappoint one patient, finished, you know so many people, the news will spread and you are going to lose patients for your hospital, like that. And that's how one is learning medicine and another is in a precisely handling your patient, and then to reach the satisfactory outcomes. How to survive the medical school? Yeah, it can be a very daunting job for the medical students. Factual knowledge, how to face a patient, how to record the signs and the symptoms, how to answer the examiner's questions, and variety of tasks can be daunting. And then there are a series of 20 videos produced by the Cambridge University, how the medical students should go about, like that. And, you know, simply leave them in the reception. For first time you go there and you spend some time, automatically you learn the factual knowledge. And then the through patient care, you will be able to uh, uh, secondarily, you will be able to accumulate so much factual knowledge. And one is able to do the patient care activities, factual knowledge automatically follows. And very easily you can pass the examination, very easily you can survive the medical school. In summary, this is Dr. Mohan, faculty in K.C. Hartman Masyarakar, USM India Offshore Campus, Belgaum, India. I have done a lot of studies on medical education and recommend 70-20-10 model of learning for medical students. Terima kasih. Nice talking to you.